how do you find awesome products to sell on Amazon? There's no secret now that Amazon's bloody crowded, competitive, but there's still ways that you can find brilliant products to sell. So in this video, I want to show you a really easy way to come up with great product ideas for your Amazon business here in Australia. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce store, make sure they give this video a thumbs up. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and also to consider subscribing to my channel because we post brand new content like this each and every day, all about helping you build your business on Amazon. And if you've got a question or just some feedback or something you want to know, comment below and I'll be sure to get to it too. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk about how to find some products. So I don't think I've showed you this before, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you a very simple way. So, bit of background. One of the areas I spend a ludicrous amount of time on in merchant words is something called the emerging trends. I'm just looking at what's happening, what searches are getting traction, what new searches are coming in, just kind of checking things out, okay? But if you don't have merchant words at that particular level required, then there's actually a really easy way to do it that doesn't require any software at all. And it's actually the same thing that merchant words uses to create their own emerging trends, okay? And that is, so if I come down to all, movers and shakers. Movers and shakers, okay? So this is what it looks like, the movers and shakers. Couple of interesting things. So this is a little bit like the Amazon bestseller, which is on a 24-hour rolling, by the hour, rolling hierarchy of what's selling the most. Okay, that's the bestseller. Movers and shakers is different. So movers and shakers is on an hourly basis what is trending upwards. What are people looking for? What are people buying? So it combines both of those two things. So it gives you a much different insight into what's happening on Amazon because of that. And because of that, these are not best-selling products. These are not products that are actually best-selling. But it's a really good way to see what's trending and what's being purchased on an hour by hour basis, okay? And what I do with this, I'm going to tell you how to use it in a second. What I do with this, now more than ever, is I use this for wholesale things, for wholesale. So shipping is a nightmare at the minute. So before, what we were able to do is very quickly get products to market using shipping, whether that's air freight or whatever it may be, from other countries. We can't do that anymore. And so now what I'm using this for is wholesale, to come up with wholesale ideas to put onto Amazon.com predominantly, to make some kind of fast money from it, okay? So that's what I'm using for. How do I use it? Well, what we do, pretty simple. It's got all these different departments. So these are the movers and shakers in baby category, for instance. Some cool things there. Camera and photos. Video games. I'm not quite sure why a massage gun would be in a video game thing. Maybe they're linking that together. That sounds like a rather erotic idea, if ever I did hear one. But here's one I found earlier for you. The movers and shakers in automotive. Okay, so what I look for when I go here is I'm looking for things that don't have thousands of reviews. I'm looking for things that are kind of new onto the platform. And they've just been launched and they're still getting a lot of search and they're still making a lot of sales. Okay, that's why I'm using it for. So whilst that is interesting to know that a car battery tester is a mover and shaker, we can see that it's got over 1,000 reviews, and so there's not really any easy way to compete with that. But headlight lens restoration system, well, that's got 0 reviews and it's ranking #1 on the movers and shakers. And so now I've got something I can go in there and have a look at and possibly find something wholesale and get it onto Amazon really quickly and take advantage of that fact that these are selling even without any reviews, okay? That's how I'm using it. It's a really great way to get ideas for your wholesale products. And then if you want to go a little step further, how I used to use it, but again, I can't do that right now, was I'd be looking at what's trending, what's kind of happening, where are the trends going, and then can I private label something within that to get an advantage to make a higher profit margin on it. So that's how I was using it, but that ain't so good now because it takes so long to get to market. But wholesalers, really, really good. Probably thinking to yourself, well, that sounds great, Asher, but how the freaking hellfire do I find wholesalers? So I'll show you that in a second. What's the other one I just looked at as well? These measuring cup things. I don't know why these are going insane at the minute, but these are just going insane all over the place. Like I was on Merchant Words as well. Cactus measuring spoons. That's a brand new trending search with an insane amount of volume. Brand new. Why? I don't know what's going on, but that's a very, very good niche. Very, very good things happening in that. And there's right now, that could be it. You're right. They could be locked down, so they're cooking. But why the cactus thing? You know what I mean? I don't know. Anyway, so I don't try and figure this shit out. But it is interesting to see what's actually happening with that. And these are all available, of course, through wholesalers. So you guys know Thomasnet? Maybe, maybe not. This is the Alibaba of America. So if you're looking for a supplier in America, you should get onto Thomasnet. That's where all of the American suppliers are. They're not on Alibaba, they're on Thomasnet. Some are also on global sources, but they tend to be the bigger factories, and those bigger factories tend to have higher MOQs as well, in my experience. Whereas Thomasnet, you can find folks who will wholesale to you. So wholesalers are on here as well as manufacturers on here. Okay, so get an account set up. Go look for some products. There's heaps of them on there. Heaps of them on there. It's a really good resource for you. Don't know if you know that. Super, super cool though. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia. We've got over 2,600 members and growing, and we've got sales of over $50 million on Amazon. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, then go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside. Bye for now.